Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we are doing a lot of cleaning, a lot of organizing. It is the beginning of a new year and I personally just like to start fresh. I like to have a really clean space because I truly believe that that lays down the perfect foundation for a great year. I know that I'm a little behind because we are now in week 2 of 2020. I figured better late than never. I decided that I want to start with my little studio kitchen because I have to run out and get groceries. But before I do that, I wanted to clean out my fridge. It's pretty empty to be honest, but I just wanted to clean it out before I put new groceries in there. And I decided that I would film it and I would create like a little mini series. I have a lot to unpack, to put away, just like organize. And so I figured it would be fun to do. So if you're interested and you want to just stick around and hang out with me, then just keep on watching. Look inside my fridge. Like I said, there's not a lot in here, but here we go. That's it. I have some Alfredo pasta sauce, which is probably not good anymore. I have some bread. This bread is really good. I buy it at Costco, and usually if it's in the fridge, it's good for a while. Celery stalk because I'm making celery juice now. Sparkling wine. It's still good and hasn't gone flat. I have some water. Up here, I have some mayonnaise, big butter, which is probably not good anymore. Organic butter. I don't use that often, but it's here. Syrup, this Gatorade. Why? Another Gatorade, and orange juice. Ketchup, this is from Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A barbecue, more barbecue, In-N-Out ketchup, and then this is actually a gel cream, but I like to keep it in here to keep it cool. I actually forget that I have this because it's in the fridge. I think that's about it. Oh, let me show you the freezer. We have some waffles, hash browns, frozen strawberries. I use these for my smoothies. Some ice cream, some ice. This ice tray, which looks crusty. A little bit of Bailey's, tequila. That's it. from the grocery store. I'm gonna put everything away and then I'll show you guys what my fridge looks like after. Okay, so obviously it's still pretty empty, but I don't like to overdo it on the vegetables because they go bad really, really quickly. And I mean, I'm just cooking for myself, so I really don't need that much. This bottle I actually bought back home, but I didn't drink it. That's why it's there. The Brisk and the Gatorade my family gave me, so that's why that showed up. But everything else I just bought, so yeah. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.